Okay, we are going to do the one and only practice exercise for lesson 7, okay, where we're going to continue practicing direct modeling of various features within a design. In this case, we're going to open up the .f3d file called VentMod. That's in your lesson 7 Fusion files folder. So if you haven't already done so, upload that and then open it in Fusion. And we'll get started here. So open it, that's step 1. I already have it open. And we're gonna select the 6 faces on either side of the uppermost venting. So you can see it's gonna be the 2 fillets up and top and bottom, and then the inside face and likewise over here. So let's do that. And real quick, what we're hoping to do here is we're gonna delete it, and we should be left with an upper vent that's open is going to be the end goal. So just as a reminder, on a Mac, you're going to hold you're going to hold Command on a Mac to highlight multiple faces at once. And then, of course, on a Windows, it's going to be Control. All right. So we're highlighting the 2 fillet faces, top and bottom, and the inside edge on both the top vents, and we're going to click delete. And we're going to see what that does. Great. So as you can see, it's effectively deleted the feature between these faces here. But we're going to have to do some cleanup to make it look like a finished vent. Okay. Select Modify Press Pull and select the unfilleted edge that are left after the delete operation. Sorry, edges. So press pull. You could potentially just click on fillet. That'd be fine too. But press pull allows you to do multiple steps at once. That's selecting a face. Right. So I need to come at it from a different angle, maybe. There it is. And there. Oh, I need to hit Command so that I'm doing multiple at once. And let's make sure that that it's flat on the other side of this so that we don't have to fillet the other side as well. So I'm going to hold Shift and come all the way around it from the inside. And as you can see, we don't have to fillet this side because it's flat on the inside. So we're only filleting the top and bottom outside of this casing. All right. Review the vent modifications. So it looks like they're putting in a fillet of either 5 or 0.5. Let's see which one yields us the same radius here. I'd imagine it's 0.5 millimeters. Yeah, so 0.5 will get us the exact same radius so that it's flush and continuous in this section. We can also go in and I believe, I'm just going to try, I'm going to click delete there. So I click delete on this panel or segment, and it takes away that seam so that it's nice and continuous. You can go ahead and do that if you want as well. Right-click on the component in the browser and select Properties to view the mass and Physical Material. Okay. Sorry, Bodies, Body 1. I right-clicked to do that, and then I'm going to go to Properties right here. And you can see if I zoom out, right, like this whole thing is selected because that's the body that I'm interested in. There was multiple bodies in this. You could select which one that you're wanting to look at. So the mass, we've got 1,725.099 grams, and we've got a physical material of steel. That's not what we want. Steel, they have 0.088. Couldn't tell you what that's a function of, why those don't agree, but they're really close. They're within, what is that, 11 thousandths of a gram. All right, right click. All right, modify additional vents as you see fit and save the design when complete. So you can continue to practice if you want. If you wanted to say connect these two vents in the vertical, let's go ahead and do that. We can see that it has a physical material property of steel. We could change that to like a plastic if we wanted to, and that would effectively change its mass. But we'll go ahead and stop there, and let's go ahead and do what we did with this horizontal vent and connect these two vents vertically. So the first thing we're going to do is highlight all of our edges here. Command, and there we go. Now I can see this. Boom, 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 boom. See, I'm not like necessarily highlighting what I want. I wanted this face and it's just highlighting the edges. If I zoom in, it should be easier to highlight that face. So there we go. And I'm going to simply click delete on my keyboard. It's going to take a second to think about it. Great. Then we're going to click press pull. We're going to select that edge and that edge. Go 0.5. Great. Enter. And then come in, select both of these panels here to make this one uniform seam, and click delete, and there we go. We could do the same thing if we wanted to on this side as well. All right, go ahead and make other modifications as you see fit, and then click save, and we're done with lesson 7.